Hey guys, in today's video, I will be reviewing the top 8 best stand mixer of 2024. I made this list based on my personal experience, and I try to rank them based on their quality, durability, customer reviews, and more. If you want to know about the best pricing and more information, you can check the description links below. Number 8 in my list is Hamilton Beach Stand Mixer. If you're not prepared to shell out the money for a KitchenAid, this Hamilton Beach model comes with the same number of attachments and a much lower price tag. It worked well with basic tasks like whipping cream and egg whites, as well as mixing cookie dough, but it labored with the heavier brioche batter on higher speeds. The tilt head on this machine is a little clumsier than the KitchenAid, and you'll probably need to lift the beaters to scrape down the bowl, which requires very firmly pushing the rear button with one hand while raising the head with the other. All things considered, this machine would perform everyday baking tasks well. Number 7 in my list is Beautiful by Barrymore Stand Mixer. In 2023, our previous budget recommendation, the Amazon Basics Multi-Speed Stand Mixer, was discontinued, so we set out to find a comparable replacement. In doing so, we found something even better. And we're as surprised as you are. Because as much as we love Barrymore, we never expect much from low-priced celebrity kitchen gear lines, and we expect even less if the celebrity isn't a celebrity chef. The Beautiful mixer managed to do everything the KitchenAid did. It just took a little more time and a higher speed setting to do it. For example, we mixed our cake batter at 4 of 10 on the KitchenAid and had to use the 8 of 12 speed settings to get the same effect on the Beautiful mixer. And it took another minute or two to achieve the same texture. They both did a good job kneading the challah dough too, though the Beautiful mixer bounced all over a butcher block counter in the process, despite the small suction cups meant to hold it in place. Number 6 in my list is GE Profile Smart Stand Mixer. Introduced at the end of 2022, the GE Profile Smart Mixer with AutoSense is an incredibly powerful stand mixer with some very nice features, most impressive being the built-in digital scale. You can add ingredients right to the bowl, and it will display the weight as you go. It also has a built-in timer and heavy high-end attachments. The attachments, they're extra shiny, by the way. Click in and out of the motor with little effort, and we prefer the two-sided bowl lift and lock design to the crank handle on a bowl lift KitchenAid. At 44 pounds, this is the heaviest mixer we tested. We definitely broke a sweat unpacking it. So stability is not an issue, but if you're used to something less powerful, it will take a little getting used to. The first time we tried to cream a single cup of sugar with a stick of butter, we didn't think to add the pour shield, then set this bad boy to a medium-low speed. Sugar went flying up and out of the tall bowl and all over the kitchen. Number 5 in my list is Cuisinart SM-50G Stand Mixer. The KitchenAid vs Cuisinart debate is still a hot topic, but if value for money is your number one consideration, then the Cuisinart Precision Stand Mixer is a great option. I found that it excelled at heavy-duty tasks like kneading bread thanks to sturdy design and high-quality attachments. Controlled by a simple side dial, it packs 500 watts of power. This dial makes it easy to adjust the speed mid-mix, and it also has with 12 speed settings, which is more than the KitchenAid. Despite this power, it's great for delicate work. I love the slow start design that saves you from messy clouds of icing sugar or flour as you bake. Number 4 in my list is KitchenAid Artisan Series 5 Stand Mixer. The KitchenAid Stand Mixer is an icon of the modern kitchen. This machine's streamlined look, twist-to-lock bowl, and simple controls haven't changed much since they were first introduced in 1937. And it's a testament to how well designed the thing is that it's still a bestseller almost a century later. That applies to pros as much as home cooks, too. Stern says he loves KitchenAid because the mixers are classic, strong, and easy to repair if necessary. Plus, you can get the mixers in dozens of attractive colors and patterns. In testing, the 5-quart Artisan worked somewhat slower than competitors, but it whipped, combined, and kneaded reliably, evenly, and thoroughly. It's easy to clean, with a dishwasher-safe bowl and attachments that have smooth surfaces and fewer corners to catch crumbs. Number 3 in my list is KitchenAid Artisan Mini 3.5 Stand Mixer. This tiny version of the classic KitchenAid is ideal for cooks with big aspirations who have small kitchens. The Mini works just like the other two KitchenAid models on our list, only with a smaller capacity and less weight. It has 10 speeds and comes with the standard set of a beater, dough hook, and whisk. It's compatible with most of KitchenAid's handy attachments, from meat grinder to pasta maker to spiralizer. The Mini's beater blade has a flexible silicone edge to scrape the sides of the bowl, and we found that effective in thoroughly incorporating cookie dough quickly. Number 2 in my list is Wolf Gourmet High Performance Stand Mixer. A serious workhorse, the Wolf Gourmet is a heavy-duty machine equally at home on a home countertop as in a restaurant kitchen. Its 7-quart bowl can handle larger recipes, and the motor is designed to keep spinning at the same speed, no matter how much strain it's under. Rather than a limited number of settings, the Wolf's dial rotates to raise and lower the speed smoothly through its full range. In testing, the Wolf easily handled whipped cream. It performed especially quickly with cookie dough. It struggled a bit kneading bread dough, as the hook didn't effectively reach everything stuck to the sides of the deep bowl. We had to stop and scrape it down a few times for best results. The mixing bowl isn't dishwasher safe, though we did note that it didn't have any crevices and joints to hold onto bits of food while hand washing. Number 1 in my list is KitchenAid Stand Mixer. I love my KitchenAid. O'Brien says, I felt like a real grown-up when I got my first one. She's had the same model at home for more than 15 years, and it's an older version of this 7-quart monster. It's the biggest one I can get, she enthuses, rather than the head tilting down into the bowl like with smaller KitchenAid mixers. This one uses a crank to lift and lock the bowl in place under the stationary motor. It's more stable than the tilt head design. This bowl lift model was quieter and less wobbly than the other 3 KitchenAids we tested. The redesigned 7-quart KitchenAid comes with more attachments than most of its brand mates, including a whisk, dough hook, and 3 separate beaters. The standard flat beater, a flat beater with silicone bowl scraping edges, and a special pastry beater made to cut cold butter into flour for croissants and other types of pastry recipes. We were most impressed in testing by how well the large mixer handled small amounts. Alright guys, this was our today's video. If you find this video helpful for you, then like the video, and if you come to our channel first time, then hit the subscribe button for our amazing upcoming videos. Be sure to check out the links in the description for the updated price of all products discussed in this video. Hope you have a great day and see you soon in the next video.